my YouTube channel. It's Mira's World here again. If you are stopping by for the first time, please kindly consider hitting on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But if you're not, thank you so much for always sticking around. So guys, as y'all know, I am still in the capital city. Today I'm gonna be showing off Abuja to you. I have a few places on my list I'm gonna be visiting, and it's a Sunday, so I don't know how many of those places will be open. So we are approaching the central mosque now. We've gotten here and I'm not sure they are letting us in. We came to the national mosque because a lot of people used to visit here. Okay, when people come during weekdays. So I don't know. They're not letting us in. My friend is trying to ask them why. So let's see. So apparently it's a Sunday and we are not on hijab. Of course I brought a shirt, I brought a cover, but then they are saying it's a Sunday and we are not covered up, we can't go in. I showed them the t-shirt I brought and they were like, it's a Sunday, we can't go in. I don't know why. But then let me give you guys a glimpse of what it looks like. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you've seen pictures people took in this mosque. It looks so beautiful. I mean, you can second guess you're not in Nigeria. That is how beautiful the mall is. But unfortunately, we couldn't get access. Maybe we'll try again, maybe not. So this is actually what it really looks like. So guys, we've arrived at the second place on our list, and that is Trocadero. That's right. We came here for bowling. Oh my god, today is gonna be a very late day. This is the jacket I was getting you guys I came with, but they didn't let me. Anyways, I want to show you guys the outfit of the day. Let me show you guys. So guys, this is the outfit of today. And I had this for the mugs, but then they didn't let us in, and that's fine. We'll try another day. Yeah, so let's go in, guys. So they have a seat out here, looks nice. Millie, say hi. I'm not sure. That was not a good one. That was a fail. That's a good one.
Okay, your video.
Anyways, let me show you guys. My friend is winning. She's the winner. Here is the chart. She literally like beat me hands down. And guess what? I've bought for so many times and this is her first time. I think she has a straight hand. Because what is this? Because what is this? My hand they bend. Not straight at all. So we are done here and we are headed to Millie. Where are we headed to?
We're going to Central Park.
Okay. All right. That's nice. So guys, they left their stocks for me. Just look at. What is this?
They don't leave it for you. They removed it from their money, technically.
Apparently. So I'm going to take it off when I get into the car. Let's go have more fun. Because we were rushing off, we ordered this and we had to take it out. Oh, looks yummy. Hope this isn't going to be too messy. So guys, we have gotten to the Central Park, and funny enough, this mosque is very close. Anyways, let me get over that. So this is what this place looks like. We are here to do karting, so I'm going in right now. Okay, I think this is crazy. So they are charging 7.5 for 7 minutes of karting. Nah, it's not like it's expensive, but what's 7 minutes like? Excuse me, that will pass. Next location, Jabi Lake. So guys, we are here now, but I'm not here to fry myself with this Abuja sun, so let me put on my jacket. Now we are ready to go. So here is what the Jabi Lakes looks like. I mean, it's just there. Since there's no beach or no lake, no other lake in Abuja, this happens to be their favorite. But then I just feel like nothing is happening here because it's a lake. The water is still, it's not breezy. But then I heard people still come here to have fun. So I don't know if this is fun for me. You can bet I'm freaking out trying to do this, right? I mean, it's how this horse is obedient and like following me, not trying to bite me. I don't know if horses bite though, but I mean, really now? So this is one of my getaway from work mini vacation this year. You all know I like to like travel, visit new places, meet new people, explore new culture and all that. And I mean, these are part of the things that complete life. Like seriously, I mean, it's not only about hustling and trying to make the money. Sometimes you just need to get out of the whole stress and appreciate nature.
Oh my God. This is why it's good to lose weight. 7 people are carrying this girl. Yes.
I should go front.
Draw it hard, it will move. Draw it hard.
Just this stuff where people can literally like sit down. I think this place is good probably in the evenings where there is cool breeze, because it's not a beach, it's just a still water, so the sun is not helping matter. So probably if you come here by 4 p.m. like from 6 p.m. you're just gonna enjoy the view and there will be some cool breeze hopefully. So yeah, anyways, well, I think this brings me to the end of today's adventure. It is day 1 in Abuja, and by day 10 we are going to be on fire. I mean, I must have covered places that I really want to visit. Anyways, I'm not here to roast myself in this dear Abuja sun, so I'll gladly go home. Millie, come and say hi to my people.
Hey guys. This girl wants to cover everywhere in one day.
It's a lie, guys. This is my tour guide. Tour guide, where else are we going tomorrow? Anyway, guys, I guess this brings us to the end of this amazing video. If you like this video, then do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. And until then, bye.